Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! From myself, M.R, and the whole Cook and Vibe team, we wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope everybody is having a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Send enough blessings. I hope you got your rum, you got your big bomba, what's in over your head. If you don't do none of them things there, I hope you got your nice foods or whatever you like, whatever makes you happy. I hope you got with your family around you and you're blessed. You know what I'm saying? We're here to see another year. It's Christmas Day. Big up yourself, people. Today we're just going to go through a few things today. I'm going to slice up the soul ham that we made the other day. You know what I'm saying? We're going to season up the chicken as well for the Christmas dinner. But the main star of the show today is the rice and peas, people. Staple dish in Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? But you done know Christmas time, we got to have our roast dinner. Of course, you got to have your Brussels sprouts and everything there. But you got to have some oxtail on the side as well. And definitely some rice and peas. So today, it's all about the rice and peas. It's Christmas Day, fully active. Rice and peas with ease. You know what I'm saying? Now, first of all, I might get cussed out for this. Now, a key ingredient is peas. Peas are kidney beans. Kidney beans, peas. Same thing. In Jamaica, they just call kidney beans peas. So when people say rice and peas, don't get it mixed up. It's kidney beans, all right? Now, I'm going to get cussed for this because you should have really bought the proper peas, the dry ones, and soak them overnight and then boil them and have them in the pot boiling already. And that's the first thing you're going to do is get your peas on, soak them overnight, and then boil them in the pot, okay? Until they start getting soft. But we couldn't get them, so I've got it out of the can. But yeah, kidney beans. Coconut milk, coconut grating, coconut. You need some sort of coconut cream. Coconut cream or coconut milk, sorry, yeah. So you got that there. We've got thyme, Scotch bonnet, scallion. I'm going to put a brown onion. I forgot to put it on there. Brown onion, little bit of seasoning, and you don't know the rice. It's very important to wash your rice and get the starch out. I always like to wash it and then just let it soak for a little while. It just makes it a little bit more fluffier and nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, rice and peas with ease. It's Christmas Day. Oi, oi. Now, remember, people, this should have been boiled with water with your peas already. So if you're using tin ones like me, then you have to add water. So add your water, your coconut milk, and your peas. And you want to start just boiling this up, obviously, if you haven't boiled it already. But follow my steps if you're doing it from the can, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're just going to make this get nice and hot. And then we're going to add the seasoning. That is it. Rice and peas with ease. That is it, people. It's steaming up. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. Just a touch. Not loads, just a touch. I'm going to dash my Scotch bonnet in now. Yeah. I've just put the thyme in, as you can see. And when you give it a stir, you can see that colour. You know what I'm saying? We soon reach there, people. Rice and peas. It's Christmas Day, man. I hope if you got any presents, it's the ones that you wanted. And if you didn't get no presents, we still have a life. So give thanks for life, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. Merry Christmas. I'm cut up my scallion, people. And now I'm going to cut up my brown onion and put them both in the pot. Yes, people. Everything is inside now, as you can see. All the seasonings and everything. Now, obviously, it's different timing if you was cooking it from scratch with the peas, but because they're already pretty much cooked and everything, all you want to do is kind of just get the seasonings, you know, like blended in together. So I'm going to probably leave this for like 15, 20 minutes after this. Maybe like 15 minutes after this time, because it's been cooking already. And then we're going to add the rice. Yeah, man. It's time to add the rice. As you can see, where I've washed it and just left it It's got a nice fluffy consistency already before it's even cooked. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna add the rice to the pot now, people. Fully active. Do want to wish you all a Merry Christmas personally from myself. I know the past couple years, to be honest, it's been a bit all over the place with the YouTube, and I've only really been active again properly the past couple months. You know what I mean? But if you've been there from the start, I love you, man. Big up yourself. Thank you for your support. If you're new, big up yourself. Same way. Enough respect, you know. Welcome to the team. If you've been here since halfway, anytime along the way, big up yourself. At Christmas time to give thanks. You know what I'm saying? Blessings and blessings to each and every one of you. You don't know how the thing said. Nah, I can't tell you how much water to put in. Cooking rice is one of them thing there, people. It's with time. It comes with time. You just have to know how much water to put in. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, rice is a funny one like that. So yeah, man, everything is in there. The rice is in there. Just gonna give it a mix round. Get all the peas mixed with the rice. You know what I'm saying? Now this needs to go on a low heat now. I'm gonna leave this for about 20 minutes. Have a look. That is it. Fully active Christmas Day. That is it. That's how we're doing it this year, people. You know the nephews has got to be there. Yeah, man, I'm acting. And obviously the sorrel. Yeah, man, mix some sorrel with some rum. That is it. Fully active. That is it, people. Look at my sorrel ham. Now what I've done is I just cut it in half so you can see. And basically what I'm going to do is I kind of want to keep it like full for the Christmas dinner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut one slice here. Maybe from like here. There we go. There you go, people. And there is our sorrel braised ham. I could have cut it a bit thinner still. But yeah, let me taste it actually. Yeah, let's taste it. It's actually really nice. That glaze got a really nice like sweetness to it. It goes perfect with the ham. I didn't know how it was going to taste actually. Sorrel ham is the one. It's cooked perfect as well. That is it, people. Good vibe, man. Ready for the Christmas dinner. People, I was going to season the chicken for the episode. There's no point. It's just seasoning the chicken. You don't know what seasonings man use already. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But a good vibes, people. You know what I'm saying? Christmas Day. Rice and peas with ease. I'm glad how the ham come out. That come out really well, man. Obviously, from time I cooked it, I never even tasted it. So yeah, tasted really nice and sweet, and yeah, good vibes. One thing as well, people, you shouldn't lift the lid when you're cooking rice. Yeah, you have to just leave it until you think it's done, you know? Fully active. Yeah, man, I'm drinking this KA remix. It's already got like rum in it. Don't really like drinks like that. It's already mixed in with the can, but this one's all right still. I had the fruit punch one, and that was all right as well. But we soon start on the Ray and Nephews and anything there, you know what I'm saying? That is it. Again, I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas from myself. Appreciate all your support, whether it's the music, whether it's Cook and Vibe, whether it's anything, you know what I'm saying? This is my career. This is my life. I know sometimes you can easily just think, oh, you know, it's just YouTube and it's just Instagram, but this is my job. This is my career. This is how I buy Christmas presents for the family. Do you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you lot so much. You wouldn't believe. Appreciate it. This year, I'm really going to pick things up this year, people. Yeah, man, I tell you, man, we're going to pick up the pace this year a lot. And, sometimes, like, people say things, but, like, look, this is the third episode in 3 days. I've been grafting. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm going to pick up the pace this year. It's going to be so much better this year. Everything is going to step up this year. 2026 is Cook on Vibe year. I'm telling you, we're going to get that 100K plaque quick and fast. You understand? Merry Christmas, people. All depending on how much rice you're cooking, people. This has been on for a good 45 minutes, an hour, to be honest. There we go. Look at that. Fully active, my father. Yeah, that. Rice and peas with ease. So I'm thinking this still needs nearly there. It's still a little bit sticky down there. Yeah, I reckon another maybe 10-15 minutes and this should be ready. Rice and peas, people. That is it, fully active, man. Yes! It's been about 15 minutes, people. It's nearly there. It's pretty much nearly there, but I'm going to be honest with you. It's not quite there. I've got to rush off. It's Christmas Day. I've got things to do. But if you're following the recipe, then probably leave it for another 10 minutes. Again, it depending on how much rice you cook, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There you have it. Rice and peas. Christmas Day. I hope whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, enjoy yourselves, man. Don't drink too much. Actually, drink as much as you want. You know the other one. As much as you want. Eat as much as you want. Laugh as much as you want. And smile as much as you want. Merry Christmas.